If you are asked to solve this in seconds, how will you do that? I'll do that and show you the results in less than 5 seconds. 6235432 multiplied by 11 is 5899752. This is the solution. Are you surprised? Welcome back to my channel. This is JJ Online Math Class. If this is the first time you are tuning in, you are welcome. And if you are a returning viewer, you know I love you, right? Okay, today I'll be giving you multiplication by 11. Like, I'm going to start from a single number, one-digit number, two-digit number, three-digit number, and then we are going to progress to something like this. Okay, so please stay tuned and don't, you know what to do. Okay, now we are going to start from the first, the simplest, which is multiplying 11 by what? A digit number. For example, if you have something like, we all know that one, okay? 1 times 11 is 11, 2 times 11 is 22, 3 times 11 is 33. Just repeat the number. So I don't really need to solve this longer, okay? So 4 times 11 is 44, till 9 times 11 is what? 99. Now let's go to two-digit number. In two-digit number, for example, if you are asked to multiply a number like 21 times 11, 21 times 11, this is what you do. This is equal to, you write your 2 and you add this to this. 2 plus 1 is what? 3. Then repeat the last number and this is your solution. Let me repeat myself. 2, write your 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Then repeat the last number. Alright, what if you have 63 times 11? Same method. You write your 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. You repeat the last number. Okay, I know what is going on in your mind. But before that, let's solve one more. Before we get to that which is in your mind, because I know the question you have in your mind right now. And then you're asked to solve 23 times 11. You write the first number, which is 2. You add the first to the second, which will give you 5. Then you repeat the last number, which is 3. And this is your solution. Okay, now this is what was in your mind. I know you were thinking, what if when we add this to this, we get a tens? Yes, a number that is up to 10. What do we do then? That is exactly the next one I'm going to explain. For example, if you have something like 28 times 11, you write your first number, right? Which is 2. But 2 times 8 is 10. Are you going to write 10? Because definitely if you write 10 and then repeat the last number, this solution is wrong. So what do you do? Now this is the right way to do it. 28 times 10 times 11, sorry, is equal to, you write the first number. Now 2 plus 8 is 10. You write it like this. Yes, write 1 under this 2 and then drop your 0. Then you repeat your last number, which is 8. Then you add. You are going to have 308, which is the solution. Let's solve another example. Assuming you have 64 times 11. 64 times 11. So we are going to write 6, right? Then we are going to do what? Add 6 to 4, which is 10. You write 10. Then you repeat the last number and you add. You are going to have 704, which is the solution. Lest I forget, I think, or let me ask, have you subscribed already? If you have not, then please, this is the time to do it, okay? So that when I upload a new interesting video, you are not going to miss out. Ensure you on your notification bell so that you'll be notified, all right? then drop your comment in the comment section, because I will actually love to hear your opinion about what I'm doing. Okay, if you have any question, or if you have any topic you would like me to teach, don't forget to also drop it in the comment section. All right, this is it. That's the solution. Now let's get to 3 digit number. But before that, I would like you to solve this for me. In your mind, can you solve 75 times 11? Okay, now this is the solution. We are going to write 7, right? Then 7 plus 5 will give us 12. So this is how we are going to write the 12. Then we repeat the final figure, which is 5. We add, this is 8 to 5. If you got that, congratulations. You are worthy to enter into the next step, or to enter into the next rank. Yes. So let's solve. Multiply 11. Multiply 3 digit numbers by 11. For example, if you're asked to solve 314 times 11, this is what you do. You write your 3, okay? Add this to this, you'll have 4. Add this to this, you'll have 5. Then repeat the final number. As easy as that. Yes, as easy as that. Now, assuming you have 623 times 11. 623 times 11. You write your 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 2 plus 3 is 5. Then you repeat the last number. And this is your solution. One more. 453 times 11. As usual, you write the first. This plus this is 9. This plus this is 8. Then write the last number, 3. That is the solution. What if in these 3 figures we now have a tens? You understand? Just like in 2 figures. In these 3 digit figures, what if we have tens? What do we do? For example, if you have 372 times 11. Now we write 3 as usual, right? 3 plus 7 is 10. Remember how we used to write it? Add 7 to 2, which is 9. Then you write your last digit, which is 2. Then you add. That is 4,000 and what? 92. Okay. What if we have 653 times 11? The same way. We'll write 6. Okay. Then 6 plus 5 is 11. 5 plus 3 is 8. You repeat the last figure, which is 3. Then you add 7183. Okay. Now let's go to numbers that has higher number of digits. For example, just like the one I solved when we started initially. If you're asked to solve 623,543 times 11, the same process. You write your 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 4 is 9. 4 plus 3 is 7. Then repeat the last figure, which is 3. And this is definitely what you are going to get if you press that calculator, which I know that some of you actually pressed your calculator. Okay. Now, what if you have 12634 times 11? Same way, right? You write your 1. Add this to this, you have 3. Add this to this, you have 9. Add this to this, you have 8. Add this to this, you have 9. This to this, you have 7. Repeat the final one, and that is the solution. Wait, it seems, let me be sure of what I did. Let me be sure. Okay, you write 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 6 is 8. 6 plus 3 is 9. 3 plus 4 is 7. Repeat the last figure, 4. So this should definitely be the solution. Now, what if we have tens? What if we have tens? If we have tens, when we add, for example, just like the one I solved, but before that, we have 15548 times 11. You need to pay attention here so that you don't make mistake. Okay? So, similarly, the same way, we are going to write 1. Then we are going to add, right? 1 plus 5 is 6. We don't have any issue here. Now, 5 plus 5 is 10. What do you do? Okay? Now, 5 plus 4 is 9. You write your 9. 4 plus 8 is 12. See what I'm doing? Can you see that? Then you write your last digit, which is 8. Then you add. You are going to have 8, 2, 0 carry 1, 7, 1. And this is your solution. Yes, it is. Okay, now let's solve another one. Before we solve that one, that's the first one I solved before we started in the beginning, that long one we solved. Okay, so this is it. We are asked to multiply this by 11. So we are going to write 1. Then 1 plus 6 will give us 7. 6 plus 4 will give us 10. 4 plus 2 will give us 6. 2 plus 8 will give us another 10. Hope you saw what I did. Then we repeat the final number, which is 8, and we add. You have 8, you have 0, you have 7, you have 0, you have 8, you have 1. And this will be your solution. Okay, the last but not the least, that long one that I solved that time, 6235432 times 11. Now I know you can solve this without a calculator and in a twinkle of an eye. How many of you got the solution? Because I know by now you're supposed to have given me the solution. Okay, let's do it together. This is pretty easy. It doesn't even have tens. Yeah, I can't see any tens here, so it's pretty easy. So it's going to be 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 4 is 9. 4 plus 3 is 7. 3 plus 2 is 5. And the last figure is what? 2. And this is your solution. Have a lovely day and take good care of yourself for me, okay? Bye.